In this video, I'd like to give you a quick tour of Shapr3D's user interface. And I'd also like to welcome you and explain my background as an instructor. I've been using SketchUp for many years, and I've also used AutoCAD, 3ds Max, Revit, and many other 3D programs. But I'd like to focus on comparing Shapr3D with SketchUp in particular, because both programs are very easy to use and used by a lot of people. However, Shapr3D is actually very different than SketchUp because it's based fundamentally on a solid modeling kernel. So it's essentially a solid program, whereas SketchUp is essentially a surface program. So that has ramifications that we'll explore in the videos to come. Let's get started here in Shapr3D and take a look at the interface. So first of all, what dominates the screen, of course, is the design itself, which is as it should be. I can just drag my finger on the screen and orbit around. I can drag two fingers to pan. I can pinch the fingers to zoom in and out. There are more subtleties to the navigation system that I'll cover in another video, but this should get you started. Notice in the upper right hand corner when I'm orbiting there's a cube over there, and that keeps you oriented. And that cube is also a menu. If you tap on that either with your finger or the pencil, it'll open up this menu. And here you have access to preset views. You can also reset the view in the grid. You can also change your units. And the appearance, you can toggle on hidden edges if you like, and that allows you to see through the model. Just underneath that, there's a little item there that says 1 centimeter, and that shows the size of the grid squares. So when I zoom out, that's going to change. At the upper left part of the screen, we have a list of 4 items there. The first item is the dashboard, which takes us back here so we can open up a different design. There's also the Learn page, which is divided into different buttons here at the top. You can go back to the design. And then we have Import and Export. Import allows you to import 3D models or images. You can also take pictures directly with your camera of your iPad. And Export allows you to export a screenshot, or you can save your 3D model in a variety of formats. And you can print directly in 3D.